Hello everybody, thanks for tuning in. This video is in continuation with the part 1 of PhD Vlog 5. So for those of you who have not watched it, I am providing the link above so you can check it. In that video, I've provided my answer to one of the questions that somebody recently asked me. The question was, how do I concentrate better on my studies? And the approaches that I have mentioned there is that there could be one way that you approach by focusing, enhancing your focus, and the other one is by minimizing distractions. And in that video I have mainly mentioned ways through which you can minimize distraction during studies and before beginning your studies. However, I just wanted to focus on another aspect here, which is productivity and how to increase productivity. We can increase productivity by using certain apps, and there are two apps that I use on daily basis that I wanted to share here with you. If you've not been using already certain productivity apps, then it's good to look into these apps. So number one is called Forest. This is available on Android and iOS. The other one that I use is called Be Focused, and the second one is so useful because this helps you to apply Pomodoro technique properly. Because this particular app shows you a timer on your MacBook, and then what you can do is that you can devise your whole day in terms of intervals. So this technique, Pomodoro technique, helps you to take periodic breaks and also helps you to work more efficiently because it helps you to devise intervals. So let's say I want to work for 8.5 hours a day, which is what is required for us on a daily basis, apart from the lectures that we attend and the teaching that we do. So how I approach this method is that I decide for myself that I need to work for 30 minutes and then take a break of 5 minutes. And then I do 4 cycles of this. And after 4 times of working for 30 minutes, which means for 2 hours, I take a bigger break of 15 minutes. So if I have to break it down in terms of breaks and working duration, it would be like this. So 30 minutes of work, then 5 minutes of break, 30 minutes of work, 5 minutes of break, 30 minutes of work, 5 minutes of break, and 30 minutes of work and 15 minutes of break. So you can actually utilize this break time to relax yourself and to prepare yourself to go back to work and work with more motivation and productivity. The bigger breaks could give you time to probably go for a coffee with a coworker and to discuss with them different things and learn from them, and to form more connections, network with more people. So I believe Pomodoro technique is very efficient. It really works for me, but I would tell you to experiment this for yourself and decide for yourself if these things work for you. If these apps work for you, they really work in favor of me. So I'm finding these apps very useful. However, I want to emphasize here is that when you're trying to understand your study style, make sure that you also invest some time understanding your personality, because your personality has a huge influence on your studying style. So make sure that you try to reflect a bit on these aspects and then understand what you need to incorporate and how your studying style should be. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in. If you like these videos, give them a thumbs up. If you like my channel, please subscribe to it and share these videos with others whom you think this could be helpful. Especially the vlog number 5 is only not for the PhDs, but it is for even, I would say, primary school students. It is for high schoolers, it's for undergrads and masters, and for PhD students, for all those of us who are studying. And that's it for today's video. So I'll see you in another video. So bye until then.